Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Alamo, and I'm a board-certified chiropractor. I practice in Wilmington, North Carolina. My practice has a very special emphasis in that we treat chronic health conditions like diabetes and thyroid, and even chronic pain. Now, if you see underneath me, you'll see a box. If you fill out your name, address, phone number, we will send you a free diabetes report that you can view instantly. Once you review that, you're going to understand why what we do is different and how we get the results that we get. You'll also have access to the rest of this site where you can find out how we truly offer life-changing care to our patients. We leave no stone unturned when it comes to the evaluation and management of chronic health conditions. What we do works. We ask different questions, we do different things, and we get different results. So if you feel that you've tried everything out there and nothing seems to be working, if you feel that over the past 5, 10, 15, 20 years you've actually gotten worse and you're on more medicine, fill out the box below, get the information, and start taking control of your health today. I'll see you on the other side.